All right, our ribs are done. We're gonna get them off the grill.
Let's do it.
So I'm using these hearth gloves because they'll allow me to handle hot metal grates.
Okay.
Right? You wanna open that lid for me?
Sure thing.
Okay. Take the probe out. Wow, look at these beautiful ribs.
The color looks awesome.
I know, they are cooked to perfection.
Yeah. How do you know they're done?
So there's a few ways. I can tell by like visually,
Okay.
and then we're also gonna check it by, you know, kind of bending the ribs, and then we're gonna check the temperature,
Okay.
and we're gonna go for doneness with the meat probe.
Okay.
All right, so I'm gonna take these hearth gloves off,
All right.
and I'm gonna use these food handling gloves. They're for hot foods.
Okay.
And we use those instead of tongs.
Yeah.
Because I feel like with a tong, you can't get a good grip on things.
Okay.
But with these hot food handling gloves,
Yeah.
you know, you have your hands to deal with. So
Yeah.
we're just gonna kind of pull these out.
Okay.
So they come easily out of the rack.
Mm-hmm.
And we're just gonna lay these down.
Okay.
So we'll get 3 out right now. See how beautiful they are?
Yeah.
Okay, let's set these aside. So we're looking at doneness, all right? So we have the meat receding from the bone. You can see the bone's exposed.
Yeah.
When you flex the rib, if it flexes to the point where it's about to break, which these are,
Yeah.
then they're ready.
Okay.
We can also look at done temperature,
Okay.
okay? And once they're up into the like 200s,
Mm-hmm.
then they're ready. I would say like 203, 204, somewhere
Okay.
in there. And then the other thing we can do is when you actually flip it over and put the probe into the meat, and when it feels done,
Yeah.
there's no tug,
Mm-hmm.
it's just easily in and out,
Okay.
then they're finished,
Oh, okay.
okay? So the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna sauce them.
Yeah.
We'll put them back on the grate, we'll lay them flat, we'll sauce them for 5 minutes, and they're ready to eat,
Okay.
okay?